Hello everyone, you're watching Janna FX. In this video, as usual, I'll share with you guys the results of trading for this week and also technical analysis for the coming week on gold. And this week was not much of the profit for me. It was only $4,000. As you can see, guys, right now on the screen, I have absolutely nothing floating at this moment. So it was just a bit of a part-time trading, not many trades, but still quite a bit. And you know, guys, that all my screenshots I'm sending to my Telegram channel, which is Janna FX, and it's absolutely free if you would like to join it. And now, guys, let's have a look at the overview of the gold, what I'm expecting for this coming week. So let's just go back to 4 hour time frame to see a bit bigger picture what was happening. So that was our week, and from the previous week we were staying here. Remember, I was expecting, guys, either breaking out and go a little bit higher and then staying either above or coming back into our channel. And at the same time, if we are going down, my expectation was breaking out this area, which is about 2017. And from that, I was telling you guys, we will see what's going to happening, because one of the expectation was that we were breaking out and then coming back, and then what? So as you can see, that the second scenario worked out this week. So the market broke and came back in kind of still above 2017, right? So from here, we are still staying inside our downtrend channel, so I could connect a bit of the these bottoms with the new one, and we still have downtrend. So I'm still in here with gold a little bit more bearish, but at the same time, on a bigger time frame, if we'll go on a daily chart, right, we are still creating the bottom is higher than the previous one, right? So this is the daily time frame, and you can see that we have three tops, which I was explaining last week, that we have a pin here, and that's kind of quite hard to see here if this top is actually higher or lower, because obviously it is lower than the pin, but it is a bit higher on the bodies, right? So here's the bodies of this top is a bit lower than the previous one. So basically it's kind of still uptrend. But look what happened in here. We had bottoms, right? So I could connect them, right? So, and this week we still well, I mean, we're still above the previous one, which is 1973, so it didn't go further down, but it does look like we broke that 2017, right? And right now, we are kind of underneath. As you can see, guys, it's better on the daily time frame to see is that we have created this candle with a big pin right here, and given me a little bit of idea that possibly from here we will still resume the downtrend and continue go further down and see if we're actually going to take this bottom 1973. Okay, so I still see it this way, that continuation of the reverse, right? We had quite a while gold was going up, and now it's reverse. Would it go below 2000? Because this week it was trying to get to 2000, but the minimum we had about 2001, as you can see, guys, in 82. So it didn't go below 2000 just yet. So that's how I see here, guys. So basically, we will see, because we broke 2017 and come back. So yes, that means we still might try to go back up and higher, and at the same time a little bit more or breaking out this, and possibly continuation of the downtrend. So as you know, guys, with my strategy, it doesn't really matter if you follow my trades. I place orders both directions, and I don't really care which way it goes, and don't usually try to predict, but I'm still of course interested to see what we can expect from gold, wherever it's going up or down. So but like I'm saying, which so good about the strategy I use is that you don't have to think, you don't need to draw this levels or anything else. The only good thing about it is just helps to get into the trades, right? To look for my possible entry points where they're stopping at some of the levels, and then I know that it will be a breakout, right? But whichever way it goes, I don't really care as long as it goes enough to just give me some profit. So that's why, guys, that's kind of the bit of the picture. So the daily time frame at this moment shows underneath of this bottom. Well, would say, let's say we had these three bottoms, and that first one broke a little bit of that one, right? If we actually go on a weekly time frame, also, it's the candle is also, you see, guys, with the pin, right? So we have more pins downwards, showing a bit more downwards. That's why I'm still would be bearish with gold. Okay, so at this moment. And also, guys, if you don't know that in February, beginning of February, will be Chinese New Year, and that's how I expect it continue for gold to go down, because Chinese buying quite a lot of gold, and my expectation would be that during that time the gold continue to fall. Maybe this week it still would be maybe consolidating plus minus, sitting somewhere around, not making big moves. But I think at that time it would fall a bit more, and then after the holidays, I think they'll have like a week of holidays, the gold might start to pick up. Okay, so that's how I see it at this moment. That's my expectation. So we will see. Once again, guys, here you see on the 4-hour time frame, we also have a bit of a pin, which was kind of showing that it's tried to get in, but it still stayed underneath. Well, we will see if the market opens and started to just maybe sit and consolidate here, maybe slightly above. But then if it will be actually trying to, for me, for example, if it will be trying to break out higher and staying above this level, then I would probably say, possibly it could go a little bit more further up, and maybe taking 2063, 65, right? Because last time we had the spin and the stop, I thought if we would have taken the stop and then turn around, go down, then I would have been more certain that we will go further and below 2000. But because it didn't take those two tops, that possibly it might try to do it again before the fall, right? Like I'm saying, there is still a week before the holidays in China. So that's why I will not be excluding this um, possibility of gold trying to jump and take this, maybe going above. We have next top right here, so maybe not just yet taking this top, or maybe it will create a new high and then still turning around. So we will see what it's going to be happening. So like I'm saying, guys, expectation might consolidate around here, and from here fall further down. So for example, if it stays below this yellow level and a little bit in around 2017 below, then I would be more that we will continue down and to the next bottom. And who knows, is it going to take that bottom or stays a little bit above it? Okay, so we will see. So that's kind of where I am right now, guys. That's my view. And well, that's it for now. If you like the video, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe. Of course, you can join my free Telegram channel, Janna FX, and all the links you can find in the description under this video. Happy trading, everyone, and I see you next week. Bye, everyone.